Just in case I have somewhat of a lisp or speech impediment in this video, I just got Invisalign, those transparent retainers you can put into your teeth, so if I sound stupid, it's not just genetics, it's also my teeth for today. That being said, glasses on so I can read what is on screen. Today we're going to talk about Floki, which we covered 6 times on this channel so far, because they got some more updates that are pretty interesting. Now as always, links down below, not financial advice, duh. And before we start, short overview of the token price. You might say in the past month, oh no, it went down 34%. Not good. Their real world asset, TokenFi project, is down like 60% from almost 25 cents less than a month ago. Oh no. Here's why it's good. First of all, market correction. Then, this is the no consolidation level, I think it's called. Plus, with the amount of work they put in, I'm pretty sure this is one, if not the top meme coin of this whole cycle. As it did start out as a meme because funny dog has a hat. But then with all the effort and the marketing that has been done so far, the partnerships, exchange listings and so on and so forth, this will do quite well for sure. And while we talked about Floki over here, Floki there as well, TokenFi as well, they just announced a new roadmap over here. From the get-go, we've been very clear about their goal for Floki to be the most known and most used cryptocurrency in the world. And if you have a Binance account and hold some Floki on there, you can actually use it in real life pretty much right now, but more to that in a second. To achieve their goal, which is quite difficult, they intend to leverage a combination of Floki's meme appeal, passionate community, aggressive marketing, and strong focus on utility. And while they do know that it's quite ambitious, it is going to be updated over time as more and more stuff gets developed. In phase 1, they have Venus, which is the largest and most respected lending protocol on the BNB chain, where Floki is currently integrated as a collateral asset, and that is currently limited to the isolated pool, while after the government's approval is done, they aim to be listed on the core pool, which then unlocks deeper liquidity compared to most other blue chip cryptocurrencies. Then there will also be Floki debit cards. The Floki debit card will go live, so you can use that in real life to make purchases in this world instead of Web3, which I do like quite a lot. And then they have University of Floki as a crypto education platform, where users will be able to take classes on various crypto related topics, with the initial courses being free. If you think about anybody who joins crypto for the first time, they hear about ETH and Bitcoin and that is about it, and they have almost zero knowledge, as all they ever do is use one single exchange. So with that, they do educate new people. They will also have a Floki trading bot in phase 2, as a cross-chain Telegram and Discord trading bot that allows you to buy and sell your favorite coins, where half of all the fees generated will go towards buying and burning Floki. And if you buy anything on ETH and you have like $60 in gas fees, if they use $30 to buy Floki and burn it, making it more deflationary and increasing the value, that is pretty nice. There will also be Floki domain names and decentralized website services, so you can have a .floki username. For example, for Melos, I have melos.eth, which was taken, so I had to use some special characters for it, but I do have that name on ENS. And there will be .floki names as well. And then the Floki powered bank account in partnership with a fintech company, which allows users to create digital bank accounts and fund them with their Floki tokens, generate debit cards linked to these accounts. They can denominate it in euros, USD or British pounds, and you can use it for Swift payments, SHIB and IBAN as well. Which would be insane, because that means, let's say you get a speeding ticket and you have to pay the government, you can then use Floki tokens connected to that virtual bank account that you create and then pay for your speeding ticket in crypto. Not bad, not bad. And then in phase 3 and 4, they will have the version 3 of their locker. And then in phase 3, they will have the second version of the university, version 3 of their FlokiFi locker, and also Floki staking as a service that allows other token projects to create their token staking programs directly through our platform. And that is super helpful, because most projects want to have staking, but not all of them have it available. If they make this as easy as, here, launch your coin, give us a name, a symbol, click on create, done, then a whole bunch of projects that already exist will probably make use of that. And then lastly in phase 4, they will have Valhalla, which is their mobile metaverse game, you could say, which will then be released on the mainnet, the Chinese mainnet as well, and the mobile app too. Regarding the bank account that I just mentioned that you can use with Floki, there's a whole article by CoinDesk about that, which then allows us to transact and transfer money globally, and those debit cards will be offered on both Visa and the MasterCard payment networks, issued in partnership with a Switzerland-based company that is regulated under this name. And when all of that is live, I'll probably get one as well, because I like that quite a lot. Speaking of which, 12 million plus active users can now use Floki to pay top merchants to Binance Pay, meaning it is now available with the whole Binance Pay option, so it can be used in real life as well as on the Binance apps marketplace. If you want to book a flight or hotel, buy gift cards, Floki can now be used for that. I also like the first point in here for additional things that you can use it for is buy luxury cars. Now later on in this year, their mobile app is going to be released. Again, phase 4 of the whole roadmap. That is their utility product, and it's a play-to-earn metaverse blockchain game powered by Floki, which then means gaming goes up, Floki goes up because of the whole meme factor and the work they put in. This will be one of the go-to games when it comes to passive income, play-to-earn, and all of that. And even on CoinMarketCap, about 40% of all metaverse crypto-related traffic on the platform is handled by Floki. Now, while I show you the trailer for Valhalla, here's some more things about Floki. And those are 3 different points on why I think that this goes quite well over time. First of all, they actually do what they say when they have things lined out. So far, I think they did everything that they had planned and additional things. Marketing is on point, as they don't just market to crypto people, but to people in real life. For example, for sports, they sponsored the cricket event from a couple months ago. They were on, was it baseball? I think it was baseball, not too long ago as well. Watch the other videos for all the details. Team is working well, and they look into what is going to be useful in 1 to 5 years from now, and already built that now. You can also stake the tokens, both token as well as Floki, for up to 23%. And in their DeFi protocol Floki Locker, they have almost $1 billion in total value locked. I think it's like 750 million, depending on the day, goes up and down. Now as some closing remarks at the end, while sunset hits my face so I light up just like that. They were listed on a couple more exchanges like M2 as well as Bytaza, I don't know how to pronounce it, to go into more and more regions in the world, as some tokens are blocked depending on the country you live in. So which means if you're in Thailand, Australia, or you are an institutional investor, you can now get the token as well. That being said, have a good rest of your day. I will try to get more and more used to these retainers in my face, as I will wear them for the next 3 to 6 months. That will be fun. And then I have the most beautiful smile in the whole world. And until then, take care.